Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Communities in Brass and Nembe local government areas of Bayelsa State now have cause to celebrate as Governor Douye Diri recently flagged off construction of the Nembe-Brass road that was first awarded in the 1940s. While traditional rulers in Nembe Kingdom are delighted that the revived road construction project will open up their communities for accelerated development, Governor Douye Diri says it was undertaken to leave a legacy in the annals of history.
In the 1940s, the British colonial administration conceived the idea of constructing a road to link scores of isolated coastal communities in Nembe and Brass kingdoms. For inexplicable reasons, the project remained on the drawing board at the end of British colonial rule in Nigeria. In post-colonial Nigeria, oil-rich Brass Kingdom became the melting pot of the oil and gas industry, making it the preferred destination for key national economic assets such as the Ajip Oil Export Terminal, the ongoing Brass Liquefied Natural Gas Project, and the Brass Fertilizer and Petrochemical Project. This made it imperative for the government to revisit the Nembe-Brass road construction project, for which several unsuccessful contracts were awarded in the past. The huge turnout of communities in Nembe and Brass kingdoms, including their traditional rulers at the recent flag-off of the Nembe-Brass road construction project by Governor Douye Diri, speaks volumes about the significance of the project. King Alfred Deite Spiff, the Amayanabo of Brass, a former military administrator of Old River State who awarded the project in the 1970s at the cost of 3 million naira, says he's happy to be alive to witness its revival several decades after it was first conceived.
For the love of the people of Brass local government, the miracle governor has put his hand to the plow, and I know there will be no looking back. We'd like to say thank you very much and to say thank God for his mercies.
The Amayanabo of Okwama Brass, His Royal Majesty King Ebitimi Banigo, and King Edmond Dakoru, the Amayanabo of Nembe Kingdom, equally expressed delight at the commencement of work on the Nembe-Brass Road construction project.
We, as the fathers of the lands that are present here, are thankful to the federal government and to the state government under His Excellency Douye Diri for this brave, bold, and to our mind, what I call a generational project.
We want all our governors, whatever projects that were initiated and not completed by previous administrations should be taken up and completed for the people's use. And so our gratitude goes to the federal government and to the state government, and in particular to the state governor who has initiated this project. We pray for him, God to give him more wisdom and more zeal and more commitment.
The recent flag-off of the first phase of the Nembe-Brass Road construction project, which covers a total length of 21 kilometers, awarded at the cost of 54.1 billion naira, is consistent with Governor Douye Diri's campaign promise to open up Bayelsa East and other senatorial districts of the state for even and rapid development. Before this time, the prosperity governor of Bayelsa State had flagged off the Igbedi Road construction project and the Southern Ijo Link Bridge, awarded some 60 years ago. Governor Douye Diri says all revived road projects will be completed by his administration, which is poised to leave its footprints in the sands of time.
These are the legacy projects that will speak for us and for our children. And I'd like to tell you today, yes, the economy is experiencing downturn. Yes, the value of our currency is unmistakably at its lowest ebb. Yes, everything around us is looking gloomy. But the construction of this road, we will not stop.
The Nembe-Brass Road construction project, which being undertaken by the Bayelsa State government in conjunction with the Federal Ministry of Works and Housing, is one of 3 major roads designed to open all 3 senatorial districts of Bayelsa State for rapid development. it is being constructed in a very difficult terrain dominated by virgin forest and swampy lands. The huge challenges that will be encountered during its construction notwithstanding, Governor Douye says he is determined to deliver the Nembe-Brass road on record time.
Inside the Niger Delta,